Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Rhythm Bharal and I hope that you all are doing great and also a happy new year. So last year I did something for myself. It's basically like a weekly journal thing. अब इसको actually में करना कैसे I will just tell you in the video. But if you are also someone जिसको journaling करना as such नहीं पसंद, so for me it's kind of little overwhelming because मुझे लगता है that every day I have to basically dedicate a little bit of time to it. और मुझे लगता है बहुत ज़्यादा ना commitment है, आपको हर दिन बैठ के उसको time देना पड़ता है ना. I'm not even sure कि मैं इतने consistent हो पाऊंगी या फिर नहीं हो पाऊंगी. जितना मेरे को experience है अपने हिसाब से मुझे लगता है मैं कभी भी इतना ज़्यादा consistent रह नहीं पाऊंगी. So instead of that, I thought of a small project kind of a thing जो आप every year कर सकते हो. So here are 10 project and quick journaling ideas for you to do in 2026. इन सारे ideas में आपको इतना ज़्यादा effort नहीं करना है और at least every day इतना ज़्यादा ना commitment भी नहीं है. So I think that you should be able to do it and it's actually fun to do it as well. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. So the first idea is this one. You basically have to write the highlight of the week in a chit and put it in the box. At the end of the year, you have to open these chits and read it through. It's like a quick recap of the year and हर एक टाइम पे आपके जो इमोशंस आप उस टाइम पे फील कर रहे होते हो ना, तो it's like reliving those emotions. So I found it really cute and it's also just a 2-minute activity for you to do at the end of every week. So उसमें इतना ज़्यादा effort भी नहीं लगता है, plus you are very consistent. So yeah. If you want to make it a little extensive, you can write the daily highlights as well. I got this journal from Simba Lifestyle. Don't have to think much. जो भी दिमाग में आ रहा है बस जाके लिख दो. It is just like journaling, but इतना ज़्यादा time नहीं लगता है. It takes only 5 minutes. Third, you have to take a picture every day. And at the end of the year, you have to compile all those pictures and create a cute reel out of it. It's a great way to have a quick recap of the year. And also people like me जो literally भूल जाते हैं हर दिन ना pictures लेना या फिर अपना phone बस उसी time पे ही खोलते हैं जब actually भी कोई event होता है. It's a great way to know at the end of the year कि आप इस month पे इस time पे इस day पे आप exactly यहाँ कर क्या रहे थे. You can take the pictures of the highlights of every month and at the end of the month or the year you have to sit and make a scrapbook out of it. It will be like a monthly album but handmade and it just feels cute to have anything to look at the end of the year जो आपका handmade हो and it's like a very cute and personal scrapbook situation. And also क्योंकि ना digitally तुम कितने भी pictures ले लो, you might never go back to see it, but it's a great idea to maybe have an album but something that you actually made yourself. If you do not even want to do that, you can take a picture of anything that made you happy that day and post it on your story. It is just like a gratitude journaling kind of a thing, but it's really quick and just takes like a couple of seconds. हमारे स्कूल में ऐसे ना डेली चेक शीट हुआ करती थी जिसपे ऐसे टास्क लिखे होते थे एवरी डे के कि क्या आपने सही टाइम पे उठे, क्या आपने सारे मील्स खाए, ऐसे ऐसे करके. सो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वी हैड टू बेसिकली पुट अ टिक मार्क अक्रॉस इट. तो स्कूल के टाइम पे तो हम ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं करते थे. हम मतलब ना सुबह उठ के मैम के सामने ही ऐसे टिक 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 कर रहे होते थे. एंड नाउ इफ यू हैव अ कपल ऑफ टास्क दैट यू वांट टू डू almost every day, so you could create maybe like a personalized habit tracker where you could put just like a tick or across that task of the day. You could also have it color coded. It will look very cute. Start writing monthly letters to yourself. So you basically have to reflect on the month, what happened, what made you feel good, what made you feel bad, and basically like the highlights of the month. It will be a great way to reflect on the month and it will make you feel very light as well. Instead of doing like 75 hard day challenge, you could do small monthly challenges. It could be no sugar month, no refined flour month, no fried food month, 5k steps a month, 10k steps a month, eating only home cooked food a month, and the list just goes on. I feel like खुद को commit करना through harder challenges, it just gets a little more मतलब difficult. Instead, you could do these small challenges throughout the year. बहुत सारी girls ना solo dates पे नहीं जाती है, so I feel like that this is the perfect time to start that. Start monthly solo date ritual for yourself. So you dress cute and step out and do anything जो आपको अच्छा लगता है. take cute pictures, and just romanticize your life. When you are back, do not forget to write the feelings down on a notebook, and you will see at the end of the year, notice how you start feeling differently about solo dates. You will also see the patterns. You will also realize कि आपको क्या चीज अच्छी नहीं लगती और क्या चीज अच्छी लगती है for solo dates. I think it's a great activity जिसपे कोई भी मेहनत नहीं है. In fact, it's just so much fun. Or you could also come back and create those cute girly reels out of it. You can also track your thoughts, emotions, and feelings of the month. So you just have to take a diary and create 3 columns in it. The first column can say something like the things that you realized this month. The second column can say something like the things that affected you too much and maybe you would just want to change it the next month. And the third column can be just a gratitude column. I just thought of one more thing. You could do a monthly detox thing. So you basically have to take one day every month and stay away from your screens. Spend it with your thoughts, your family, and maybe just build a hobby. It's a great way to detox. And I know कि ज़्यादा social media withdrawal symptoms भी नहीं होंगे क्योंकि it will be just like for a 24 hours thing. So this was it for this video guys. I hope that you all liked it. I just hope कि आप इस साल अपने लिए कुछ ना कर रहे हो in as an activity because मुझे लगता है बहुत ही अच्छी feeling होती है. मैंने जब अपना last year that वीकली थिंक किया था राइट जब मैंने उसको 31st पे सारी चीज खोल के देखी थी इट्स मेड मी फील रियली गुड लाइक इट वाज लाइक अ क्विक रीकैप ऑफ द ईयर और उस दिन पे उस टाइम पे पेन लिखते हुए मुझे कैसा फील हो रहा था मुझे ऐसा वो ना फीलिंग्स का भी रिकैप मिला सो इट वाज लाइक अ वेरी क्यूट थिंग फॉर मी टू डू आई डोंट नो कि इससे पर्सनली कुछ हेल्प करता है या फिर नहीं करता बट एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर बट आपको इतना तो फील होगा इनमें से कोई भी एक एक्टिविटी करके जैसे कि यार मैंने कुछ तो एकम्प्लिश करा है या फिर आई वॉज बीइंग कंसिस्टेंट विद एटलीस्ट एक चीज थ्रू आउट द ईयर क्योंकि आप कितना भी ये प्लान कर लो अपना ईयर एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इट्स ऑल बट एटलीस्ट एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर आपको इस चीज की वो होती है कि यार एटलीस्ट मैं एक चीज में तो कंसिस्टेंट रही सो आई थिंक दैट इज अ ग्रेट वे टू एंड द ईयर ऑन या गाइज दिस इज इट आप मुझे कमेंट्स में जरूर बताना कि आपको इनमें से कौन सा आइडिया अच्छा लगा एंड इफ यू आर डूइंग एनी ऑफ दीज आइडियाज दिस ईयर आई विल बी रियली हैप्पी टू हियर अबाउट इट and yeah I think this is it and I will see you in my next time stay tuned please like the video comment down below share it with your girlfriends and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel because I love you all and bye